Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage vendors in Zoho Inventory. If you're running a business and need to keep track of your suppliers and their information in one organized place, this tutorial will show you exactly how to add, edit, and manage all your vendor details efficiently. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/inventory. Once you're on the page, log in using your Zoho Inventory credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want to manage your vendor information. After logging in, look at the left sidebar and click on Purchases. This will expand a menu with several options related to your purchasing activities. From this expanded menu, select Vendors. This is your central hub for managing all vendor-related information. To add a new vendor, click the plus New button located at the top right corner of the screen. This opens a form where you'll input all the essential vendor details. Start by entering the vendor name, company name, email address, phone number, and website. These details are crucial for maintaining clear communication channels with your suppliers. Next, you'll need to select the vendor's currency from the currency drop-down menu. This ensures that all transactions with this vendor are recorded in the correct currency. After that, choose the appropriate payment terms for this vendor. This setting defines the payment schedule and conditions you've agreed upon with your supplier. Now move to the address section where you can enter the vendor's billing and shipping addresses in their respective tabs. Having accurate addresses is essential for processing orders and sending payments correctly. If you want to add more detailed information, you can optionally include contact persons, social media profiles, custom fields, or internal remarks that help your team understand specific vendor requirements or notes. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Save to create the new vendor profile. Your vendor is now added to your system and ready for transactions. To manage your existing vendors, simply select any vendor from the list. This allows you to edit their details, view their complete transaction history, or delete the vendor if they're no longer active. Additionally, you can click on the More button for a range of extra options to streamline your vendor management. You'll also notice the new transaction dropdown, which is incredibly powerful. From here, you can issue bills, adjust bill payments, add expenses, create purchase orders, receive purchase orders, or add vendor credits, all in one convenient location. It's a great way to manage your vendors and all related transactions directly without navigating through multiple screens. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.